Okay, one of the best places to go as a tourist, Dubai is one of them. And you know, anything to compromise on the integrity of the economy. Hey, Dubai business economy. 6 months, I have been able to ship about 15 cars.
This is unbelievable.
Yes, and I'm a Fortuna 2026 model. I bought it for someone 4.8 something. Dubai,
yeah.
A bano checks our security.
Okay.
But like I say, one of the top notch in the world. Mean to me disclose see whatever I have here on air. But I want to put out, let me say, debunk the perception that Dubai is not a place you can survive.
Ebusian for me mobibia akwaba the mobile experiences in life jumedia wani egusi eneno de da maka kire mo say egusu aye wo Dubai tour with experiences with Nayas eba mo cho me ji dis obia in fact o hese na mani ma yesresre na che say we kura no di adanse say me ba Dubai no Dubai ni me diniye che say local food sini minua mema no so de me crew ni de me team ni de me executives ni de wo mo ho fe kire say wo mama mani jankasa eno bia no oba Dubai na ko nya ni je say ya ene nka da bia 3 weeks bia nka beba wo eno nti kire say ya bai de na yapa abrabom ekukohwi ase experiences de obia wo bi eno nti say de ye de drum kronkron manso nyina kronkron ni so nyina ye de dru ho abrochire amani hunu enkomodie chese ohaw ne amane na bibisa sesa abrochire no kura ne se oba na obetimi atena anase wontimi ntena eya na osusu se ye na mfosem ana anase ye nkrata asem ana eye adwuma sem ana supo se baby kakra bia opese odi wititu ana na se wonu hu krampa eya na sen na experiences no etie enunti frobie no bi mfrobi se eneno de levels no e wosro enase akase enko enfama aboafo a wana soma sinyina papa go furniture enkonua papa fie wo mo kesema junction ne so hono mo afei Jeffers mixture erade heba mixture papa hepatitis B malaria typhoid menstrual pain and simple say ya ria horek kan nyina obema woye mre wo mpem oba ne kase bra na ba wo so na kakra bia na wo ye mahyew esanse ode boss wa na oho asane enti oba no wode wani mu twitwifom eye Jeffers KABS pe na me kamfo e de amount anom de eye Angel Beverages anom de a go me ne mu a e koyo me do foi me kire ni se me ba Dubai wo se Nayas na dey your fruit dia pa na ye piano afi mani makeup dey me bedru Dubai no Nancy Beauty Parlor o se Nayas mechu I don't me pacho time chuku na me twa me ho famra nene no me ba onyame ni pa bia enwosra wo no so adom wo no so tumi wo no so me ne ba ba twetwe nkomo me ba isia.
Hello, your friend is of Mamina na Hayford. Me yen century me say actress. And then you ma who do pee keka ho. And na medwuma dinti. Ma po me den ho hia me papa na se bad ma po me den ho dia. And one Jeffers mixture. Bonje. Jeffers mixture nti mitimi gina pabo atenten so. Just say Jeffers mama your best mu ankasa. Me nia be ma ebema wo so wa ye be mama pa senti ameji Jeffers mixture tumpreko pani se eduro no ho te ye de afa abefo nimde kwan so eni fidie won soom e na ye ne frenchem kroje ye no nti ma ye resade enu wane Jeffers mixture na momitie enye ma penfo oba a o ma akwala no fo ana akwala a onyanya emfie dumienu FDA ahwehwe sa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye Jeffers mixture pa.
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting? For your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you. Enjoyment Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
For me, more bibia kwaba e de mobile experiences in life jumedia wani egusono enne mensa aka me ankasa me bra pani ai e wa hase wo ye sofokase pa na enne mensa mri mama ye nko no hwe na all the way from Ghana to Dubai ye ne no e ba be din komo na ye ne enkonko twetwe enkomo into us bra pani
Auntie
na boko de
oh yeah
brasa me wo fe himfa
Mfia Asante Bekwai.
Asante Bekwai, okay.
Ho na mbapa de mama na afi.
Okay.
Na me ankasa de takwade no matna ete ho na mefia me de ba Dubai.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Uko school in fa?
Me ko school de me kasa me kan enwio.
Sao?
Mama nkasa me hyase wo. Onse papa meta de sofo.
Okay.
In school ankasa de yakobebre transfers ni ade brekum tankori Kumasi, a whole lot of even Angel pull me because school kakra.
Angel.
What Angel because school kakra.
Oh, but school Angel TV.
Kakra Angel Education Complex. Kame ko kakra. 2 years be yes. And you know it did.
It's just what media schools kakra.
Angel Educational Complex.
Oh, okay.
Kono mabu here. Angel Premier and school.
Oh.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Brasa me. Muye emadodo se nuanom dodo se.
Yenchrim enuanom no de. Yeah, 7. Yeah, 7.
And Madodo and
Ma 6. Bema 1. Timukana me Bema.
It's Unkwana Bema.
Ma unko I'm gonna them. Yes, I'm the 4th born.
Wow. Into Obana Dikai. Obana Toshumi, Obana Toshumi and Sansan Waba. And Sana, I think it was Samba. Until now, oh, you're very handsome.
That's it.
Not Mpacho Wariana.
Mawaripa. Me, in fact, me a legally married husband.
Oh, yeah, team legal.
Team legal.
Remove.
Okay, first one, baby.
Anyway, okay, what mother was saying?
Me walk, nkora miensa.
Wow.
Nkora miensa. Be send Obana Dikai and a Bema mienu editor.
Really?
Say ade my post answer. Me ngas me read but my post answer.
Oh, okay. Wow. Where you Deni?
Me Fantini.
We were see Fantini.
Fantini. Pure Fanti.
And Fanti from Bishop Brasami. Bishop Samne de Beba Home. I mean Bissau Bibi. Yes, Fanti from just on BBI. The dead Nibina Ampa.
Oh, Fanti for fine. In fact, me see so dear man say be continue with like I say oba me national me ni me who say oh you okay no 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 oba me ni and everything of her is okay. Okay, be a fan who be okay.
Not as a see so no one shall dance say.
So for by the way, I say, the beam sauce of master by me there. That in number of carabella, I say, when you feel
it's over no ya or your soft penny or him for
the soft one.
Matter the soft our emphasize.
Which in because side was until acquire one with Jim. But he's almost 80 years now. So
okay.
Yeah.
It's too far. Or girlfriend and answer make us all bow the kind not wedding feasing.
Oh, never near feet. I mean, if I'm the war, was a school, and maybe what because I'm will be SS2.
Okay.
But then yet to say, and now it be more than Panachin Bassabasa.
SS2, that time, I'm going to ban it now for how long?
Oh, school assembly.
We are not question now. Did I would not question baby now? Foul fashion. One year. We're bushing for no. Woman in our way, and we are not 6 na cano. Walk on 176 na can. Woman in our Ghana honor.
Oh yes, 6 na akano now Ashanti region.
Oh.
4 Kumasi.
Okay.
And I mean what somewhere Konongo side. And you know, we are all there. Me pala me wa say.
Ebrebe na wo decide say obetu kwan every Ghana Kumasi aba Dubai.
Let me correct something. Me fee Takra, the Western region, and I'm a bar Dubai. And you know,
we are Santini, but then now what say? Okotana Takrade. The Takrade na free ya oba Dubai.
Yes.
Okay, Ebrebe.
Me be do her last year, 28 July.
Last year, yeah.
Last year, 2025.
Just last year, really?
Yeah, number Dubai.
That's only 1 year Okroma.
No, I'm barely 6 months. Barely. I think January 28, no 6 months.
Wow.
Yeah.
A day motive na a do a bar.
Oh, good question. Motive me did 2 kind no. Meet me a cano. Meet me a candy plea. Say it was an unplanned travel.
Unplanned. That is a one planning.
Yes, I said, bet him 2 kind.
Oh, one I say bibi ba was unexpected.
Na and tesa answer.
Okay, na net say.
Near 10 say. Oh, say, oh, share. Was it him? What she name maybe? Okay. Uma so he didn't come. You now forget to quite near there. He didn't come. And see, I have a cousin here. And yet direct cousin.
Dubai.
That's a family friend.
Oh, what can Dubai?
Dubai. It's no. In fact, he even led me from Kumasi to Takrady. Then he's the same person. Takrady, Ofi Takrady no ba Dubai. So the same person also, let me say, in a way, influenced me little from Dubai. Takrady to Dubai. It's like I was a transit, you know. His steps I follow. Then some I can say, let me say Adam 4 through Adam 4 influence I positive. And I'm at the bar.
O catch your sebrano, a quite bang and a fast so J visa no.
Okay.
Then I could see saying yes, I mean boy and
okay. One shut down Casimira.
Okay.
Because I say magnifica crack.
Okay.
Ubia mene or banning what I today. Mean to me, sorry, I'm too going. And I say, Ubi just come and you also come.
Okay.
My name is and the attendant say, oh, say, oh, share Ghana economy. Okay. A Juma we Kakawunya, EDD, will be quite full car and they are there. Now, on so many didn't come out Brano, or they compare on a system of Dubai and they Ghana. Which means there's a, let's say, vast difference. It's made me so interested and the bombing combo. It's in common man and as an indirect interest. It's visa Jericano. Mamika said it became something like a miracle, unprepared. And you know, I had to make certain arrangements for money and then send to him within 10 days. Within 10 days, the visa came out.
Na aba.
And a buy and so no, not a year direct employment. Meaning say you do types of visas and not teach him, but in
a bra who decided say we be Dubai no before na adwuma ben na we e Takrady. Okay,
na my adwuma be brave, but the current one na me a very big school in Takrady.
Okay.
West Oxford International School. Very big from Crete to JHS3.
Okay.
Na me the whole school's administrator.
So
plus accountant, yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Eti a bra e ba say esa uba Dubai no ana utu kwan no na meka say wo adwuma papa bi eye wo ho na oji pay papa na all of a sudden watimi Adjei ni nyina say no me tu kwan aba me di adamfo achi ana me ti adamfo asem na I mean maba Dubai me jai bibia o me resign ni bibia na maba no I don't know cheye mu ye because there was show no osua bibi o.
Yes. Okay. Me can say as a learned person, sometimes we take education or learning from economists.
Okay.
They can say, oh, check Ghana economy. Of course, with me, Adjei, it be 10,000 cedis a month. Okay.
Yeah.
As your disposable income, I was spending in a month. But when they compare other economies, I almost say no. If you have the chance to travel to such an economy, compare them with the Baku yesin Baku. Why don't you switch? That's if it's genuine. And on that basics.
Yeah.
And I make arrangements. I made a maneuver. Not easy, because living a family, okay, leaving your job at a point you have to lie. Let me say, I had to lie. Not to lie. Lying just to make sure that a dream crowd said, well, you can
just I me free mat once, but I try now. I bet Thomas.
And I didn't just leave them. I made sure that from church, church organizer, so from church to a Juma to family, I made sure I left a very good handover.
Wow.
As a CIO, Ukaso Cometia, we a very credible record about Summit.
Wow.
Yes, I didn't just leave. I left on a good note, and I'm the buyer.
Abra Wobano, who took my bad Dubai, no, a free takra, they about Dubai, no. Or bucket to Accra, no, I didn't feel say.
Nana was 6 years by then.
So 6 years by then, na as a when I am Shishibi. Na uja nkola nkete egu obana so na kura wunimu so na meka se uye adwuma papa na uja ni nyina na obaye no bibia ma wotirim se no ade a me ye die ase me ye no se owo ne nkwa.
Good. Ade bia wo ye bia no take risk. Okay, if you be risk assessment.
Okay.
How feasible is what you want to do going to be? Are there a person where you know and a baby is saying?
Okay.
Well, and sana make move.
Okay.
It means make sure say one emotionally, spiritually, in fact financially. Make sure say okay, and man me to know a beboa, our family, both the extended and the nuclear.
Okay.
A beboa.
Yeah.
Number two, I made sure that the church of which I played a very pivotal role. Omo hwe me nanim who Sam is. And so make sure say nyeme no me jamati saying.
Okay.
Na me koso a emwa ben betimi ama asodika asat now no. What can they benefit from?
Okay.
Number 3, adwuma na me no make sure say me kwa of what importance will this work that I'm living, let me say, get from this decision I'm making. I made sure I took decisions based on merit. I didn't just come.
Wadam for no, and answer make us Adam for no, or no car according to once a man answer visa once within 10 days no a buy, you know. I don't dream about him.
Me will be a
okay.
And you know, visa ben a general 10 days.
Just 10 days.
Because of share the enemy of US and other diverse countries now. Visa can use away then
you get, yeah.
Because I was limited to some information. Now I'm taking my time and read about UAE visa application, how it and yes stressful. Let me say it on record, and yes stressful. But there are genuine ones. It me share the pros and cons about Neoka. Me share internet, me ask me research about it. At the point I had to also consult. Me who said Neoka is legit. Then I had to take the risk and follow that. Yeah.
And see a bra Adjei visa no a man no catch also the permits back home. And I say a buy not permits can one and say Oba Dubai bebeju her for how long and sana unya permit and also near monk.
Media this is the man no direct employment too. The case that employment say adwuma cool be and as a freelance visa. Let me put in that record. You have 2 ways of acquire say adwuma could be identify with potential ever mother country.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what show say me here with services.
Okay.
It's me agasa me my visa. Into bra. Sana me dey
okay.
What you say? It's me you know a direct from let me see Dubai to pick something from Ghana and back to Dubai. And you know no stress.
Wow.
No stress. No.
It's who buy no. Adwuma be na odi kan ebeye. Company not just a company na dey buy ye.
Me be adwuma as a data entry admin.
Hey.
Iron Mountain, Dubai. A company kase pa. Data entry.
Na what you want kasa no because minim say anameka say nyire nim say before say obeba abenya adwuma kase say ayetua kaye aye no na chese bia wako school adru achire pa na say meka say what you want kasa no wabesu because omo so wakasa wo mo ka e wa ha yeah
adwuma na mo their portfolio is just that I say they work hand in hand with DIB because DIB Dubai Islamic Bank. They work hand in hand with them. The company handles all their archives, how they balance their figures and all that. You know, and rough. it's a work that needs, let me say, critical thinking, and yet it's so big. But that's what I had, and I came.
Enti sa adwuma na uguso awoye.
Dabi.
Wow. No mo jai adwuma kakra. Okay, so ubaye no it take how long ansana ujai unyomu ejai adwuma ye?
Me buy no. Everything was me dey mean ka say miracle. Me be call there.
Okay.
But me buy no. Let me stick to the content.
Okay.
Me buy no. I think it took me 1 day me go medical. Less than 2 weeks. No, let's say 1 week and some 2 days. Let's say 9 days. And then my ID card. ID Emirates ID. A card be I say Ghana card. It's a Ghana card that we Emirates ID. Unibia, you are here illegally, and as a tourist. Unisa card.
I say Germany. Omo friend Dindong.
Ghana. So can Ghana.
Na say Ghana card. Yeah. Ghana your visa.
Thank you to stay there.
Yeah, and your visa card. And Hana so your visa card. Okay.
Unibia.
Unye save
anything here in Dubai.
Unye save. Oh.
But I also be na kwan fa so a obaha. Eno so yanda factor.
It's not just person try say e kwan ofa so a obaha no. Eno so ka ho na e ma nyame bie sa opportunity no e de ma.
Ebeduru ho.
Wow. Apostle. Ye pesa woni e bon komo kakra. Adentina in Kronkro Bibrio countries Bibrio, Germany, like I say European countries in Bibrio, America, UK, Australia, I mean Switzerland. Just say baby Bibrio. But you need him say Dubai, you can Dubai, baby na eshe trim. Like I say teacher ye Ghana for na you Ghana no. Eshe trim say I said Dubai there and shada nye baby so special as
compared to other countries.
Compared to other countries now. Obi ti say obi ko US na we wo fia now they flex me say me call Germany.
Okay.
I friend is a boga ba ko pa man fa hwiama. But still I am so proud to say matimi akotena Germany 1.5 year ba.
That's good.
What you see but obi who say wa betna Dubai and I say uti Dubai I say any plan say you are nobody.
We are someone.
Call baby. I say, I mean, because Ghana for because Ghana 42. Sana yedi
perception.
Yes, okay. Yeah, perception. No. It's no. At the end, seminar will be to me. I can't find because as a nice man like you. I say, oh yeah, one for pa nibi. So that come because come me wo me you know. Enka me nyini ko ya no ka me ware ba ko ai bia nkoso asa wadwemu do pa na wo nya baby anko say Dubai. Sorry to say mon fan chame abusuafo because of yen no ya dwene a ebo yetirim efa no say obi ti Dubai a ase nipa ne nhye dan ka ho bi ba me akasa no me ba Dubai no me hu say in fact Dubai ha ye kro bia I have for ye. Just a crown ho, baby, I'll be rebia no, baby, or crown a mirror. A yamis say Germany, Hamburg, and a mirror. I have fair, just from a papa beer, a family hono, and almost security a tight. Everything is on point here. Enti minim the NCA, make us a minu no nibia, one more Ghana no. Ana nkronkrom mia biso no ti yete se obi wo Dubai a ase nipa no he or she is nobody enti no me say asa woni ne ya chim kasa me
let me say something on record
okay
me ti hey
yeah
o kase me go na America me nko
e date ya ye kase brasa me
UK me go to na America me go to na let me say Germany me nko da me to na Dubai.
Apostle asem we dey ngidi
the reason is that
me who is say bia visa na unya enkotena ho
okay
ana say uko apply na yamfa ma ana so say bia say nya na unya enti no
I have let me cut you small
okay
me wo about 8 family members are more US
okay
me and my wife ne busan for more than 6 US this year
okay
currently and yet direct brothers and sisters are there.
Okay.
Means more family are ho. Okay, I make say to see me person me apply for US even university pa. I just a phone call.
Okay.
I can go.
Okay.
Those who are watching will bear me witness.
Okay.
Okay. But because me continue US me nko.
Adenti e ho de person tray buka wait buka kra.
Say him can what influences your travel?
Okay.
What influences your travel decision? Kuna ukumu how is their economy like? What contributes to the buoyancy of the economy?
Okay.
Dubai business economy. Me go school no, me go business.
Okay.
Marketing, accounting, administration, they are all business courses.
Okay.
And the job a customer centric work in my.
Okay.
Me buy, send you can be one question. Who say you want to me and Adjei.
Yeah.
Now this is the answer. It will answer your question.
Okay.
So see, I deal in cars. Yes, when I was coming, you see, I did all these, connections before I left Ghana. And I was share baby a match and people know me a lot. It because Samia, we few persons something fishy, something small because they don't really know me well. But masses of people know me to be something to be a positive guy. It's about saying business. And 6 months while here physically, I want to move the name of fine. It's
6 months,
6 months, but I have been able to ship about 15 cars. Mayor of
C.E.O. Within just 6 months,
And right 30th, right?
Yeah.
And I'm a Fortuna 2026 model. I did come with my phone. I would have showed you evidence. I bought it for someone 4.8 something, maybe more, whether dollars or dirham. I don't want to say it here, but I bought a brand new Fortuna for somebody who doesn't know me. Somebody on no fee said what me ding. It's been common for some time, and Sana, Obi was a genuine person.
And see, Opa said, and say within just 6 months, but now Dubai.
And look at me first 3 months and then go.
For first 3 months in Ghana,
I was working in an office.
Within 3 months, Peno.
Yes.
With me a shipping car.
SUVs,
15.
more than 15 years.
This is unbelievable.
Yes. And this is Dubai. And let me tell
Dubai
you, and look, I'm coming. Me disclose see whatever I have here on air. But I want to put out, let me say, debunk the perception that Dubai is not a place you can survive. As I said, it depends on your influence, what influences your decision to travel. You understand what my point is? So with some questions, I will answer you according to my decision making and whatever I'm getting and whatever I'm enjoying. And if I should step home today, I'll be a proud son, a proud husband, and a proud father who has started for 6 months and is becoming successful.
Wow.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Is it because Dubai had no cars and na ne bonye din and say shipping no shipments no na air full and now so say the whole thing no and also say be a connection be wom the whole thing no I don't really get it.
Okay, let me help you.
Help me.
Dubai not just let me I don't want to say Dubai. Dubai is one of the Emirates. I have 7 Emirates.
Oh, okay.
Now, Dubai is one of the Emirates, 7 Emirates. Okay? Let me say UAE.
Okay.
United Arab Emirates.
Okay.
Of which Dubai is part of it. But Dubai is a common name of the name.
Okay.
Okay, now the thing is Dubai is business economy. And Dubai's economy is one of the buoyant economies in the world. Singapore is one of them. China, Dubai, let me say the Emirates is one of them.
Okay.
Okay? If it's about business, to Emirates, Singapore, China. Okay?
Okay.
Now, as a business person, who person who trendy, who person who is successful in life, think about UAE, think about China or Singapore.
They are okay. They say they are Mexico for you. This is
a reality.
Yes, sir. Ebe ma ye num bi no. And I say here for ni bi num ye buy.
Enye nema na ye cheap. Dubai also number 2. Dubai also have one of the best systems checking security systems. To even buy a car here is another thing. 2, to get the car to transport from Dubai to wherever you want to take it to, it's another thing. And to be able to check, say because a car no. Let me give you an example. It will marvel you. I know I talk car a brand new car.
Wow.
As at now, 3 days now, document na major no.
Onsanka.
A very ready watch number. It's Monday. That is on the 1st
okay.
of 2nd February 2026. And very ready. 4 days now. It means that Dubai's economy, they have systems that check everything, even the cost you make, the food you eat, you are being checked.
And see, what Dubai has say, as a course,
you are monitored.
I didn't see
everything you do here. You're monitored.
Not just say me pacho, but I mean chawano. As a me wahona my family area and my family girlfriend. As a me person minini telephone sex and as a minini do dobia. As a no monitor.
Let me give you a very funny analysis. Let me say a wise saying.
Every so I know money
training for security reasons.
Okay.
Mitaka say me am now for that. My boss be friend St. Martin. So hear me.
Okay.
Mitaka Jenny say. St. Martin me chill boss. Former boss.
Yeah.
Takradi. Don't think that everything is working when nothing has happened. Oh. And what being said, Bibia, Ehubia, no, that was a Abraham and that's no.
And I will say, Embrace.
Okwana, you are monitored. Even Ghana, I want to say the word impo because Ghana, the BNM say a growing economy. I think they grow. Dubai economy is good at that.
Okay. To say Abuche baby, a
buoyant economy. Ghana is growing. The vampire is very fast. I mean, Mr. John Mahama. Anyway, Dubai, a bano checks our security.
Okay.
But like I say, one of the top notch in the world.
Okay.
I mean, call other countries, but what I've read and the things I've been able to see and heard.
Okay.
Dubai, you can't do anything you want here.
You can't do anything you want in Dubai.
Yes. The reason is that Dubai has a name. You were in the within that economy in the Adjei that tourist center. Okay? One of the best places to go as a tourist. Dubai is one of them. It's anything to compromise on the integrity of the economy. They won't. Whether you are making a call, you are doing a business, or you are doing illegal thing.
I say Kasama economy, and then the president of Dubai, and I think because of say your chances say it's me
no bread. It is not easy like that too.
But you can't tell me it's just within 3 months, and fan shipping car and coffee, and fan shipping cars more than 15
for people. But on record, because for me, I have a coffee. For people, thank you.
Nah, on can't tell me say easy. No.
Always could not open matter and I'm
pay match.
For sure.
Yeah.
Auntie Mama's na so there.
Suffer.
Auntie.
Yanko.
Me tell you say. Match we am pay match. But more pay match no so say match end the pa. It doesn't mean say F.
Okay.
Me bube.
Yeah.
You see the point. And let me sit on record. Dubai's economy and you're one of the best economy for every person who has business mindset. The word is business mindset.
Not just visit alone.
Of course.
Coming to
you can visit UK, you can visit US, you can stay in Dubai and make it. Not for business purposes alone, but I'm speaking from my own perspective.
Okay.
Of course, I know you meet other people. What be the way go for you? But me, my perspective as a business person, what's an American? You can easily get the car here, but to make it easy for you, unless you follow the tenets of the standards.
It's nice. How the end your connection be?
No. Let me share this with you. When I came, I had the chance. Me organist. I visited Osofo Eric. I don't want to rush. Also Eric Aqua.
Eric Aqua. Me patrol means. Hey, Papa. Apples. Me patrol baby I will be in check here and call and farm. When was sorry ma so for to watch I say Obia nyamisha what. In fact, Dubai me buy. Make say me mano executive producer. One sofo dan be Yankopon won show. I any omomake nyina. Hey, Bismarck no. Oh show me what say. I
then I can. I sorry I'm call Papa na so me want me call organize me borgan no ntia ma me ka che ne item.
Okay.
It one thing led to the other. He's into logistics.
Oh, okay.
Travel and tour, and he's right. He's a big guy.
Oh, okay.
I am someone who standing you be
software.
I am telling you, at the right time you get him. And
I know him because brother Sammy and you to phone be bar.
Yes.
You know na host.
Like I say, he's not only bebre, okay?
Yeah.
But his influences are there all and
the wisdom is
follow
there.
one there. He had that impact in me, not just me, other people. And no, and me follow here. Who said no to thrive here? No, me, Sammy, to thrive here and succeed. You know, either I go by left or right. I'm speaking in parables, and because I chose to go by right, as far as his ideas are concerned.
Okay.
Here am I today. Me know baby here. But I've not regretted coming here.
Brasa me. So mama what's it? Na yenyina ha ni ntwa ye.
Gobra.
Ebusia for yenyina he na yenje aboafo enkrato.
Hello. Your friend is of Mami na Hayford. Me yen century. Messiah actress. And then you ma who do pee keka ho. And na medwuma dinti. Ma po me den ho hia me papa na se ban ma po me den ho dia eno ane Jifax mixture bonje Jifax mixture nti mitimi gina pabo atenten so che se Jifax amama your best mu ankasa me nia be ma ebema wo so wa ye be mama pa senti ameji Jifax mixture tumpreko pani se eduro no ho te ye dia fa abefu nimdie kwan so eni fidie won suom na ye ne friendship kroje ye no nti ma ye resade eno wane Jifax mixture na momitie enye ma penfo oba a o ma akwala nofo ana akwala onyanya emfie dumienu
FDA ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
Jifax mixture pa.
On my long and stressful days, I long for the refreshing company of my favorite companion.
Wow, my favorite.
Tomato onions, no tomatoes.
Hi. Oh, hello. Please, I need to know the drink you were enjoying earlier at the shop.
Sure. Even on Sundays in the market, nothing is for one.
Makuma swaji.
Guess what I brought? A refreshing companion for you and I.
My favorite.
Angel Drinks. Nyamepe, nyawenichehu.
This advert is FDA approved.
Adjei eneya sidenne pedofo sebanu ufie nkonya papa padi ami trema furniture papa padi a eye papa go furniture pe ene betimi ama nkonya papa edimu na efe na hodini wo etitrufu Ghana promo hani abrochire be bia de eye papa go furniture pe ena ya chi atum delivery baby a ekobia e free afa yegusi ye sales ndendende ye womu a ekosi next year January baby a wo bia no papa go furniture e wo ho edema papa go furniture any challenger no challenger papa go furniture e konya papa papi.
For me mamo akwaba biem e de mobile experiences in life jumedia wani egusi enase akase enko enfama aboafo a danida won ebometre dom here experiences in life adesua wom enkranhye Arachitre na eni Jesus so kakra bi yenzo aso frobi no bi mfrobi what ase ese me ba ye na mato me boase adudo suko ewura ba bia eye Adjei restaurant e wo Prime Hotel inside hwa na aduane papa wonim se baby ameko bia na eye aduane papa bia na me domo suko ekodi nnuane ni nyina bi na mabeka mu asem e de akyerɛw eno nti me pa cho Dubai ha de obi wo hono mu a wo ba wo beka se na Dubai ami kwadi e enye abrofo ye duane ye bi me pa cho me srew African food bia yanwa ya shadanwa e de ginger natural spices egum ginger garlic kwentia ni nyina me pa cho enye fancy restaurants ananse enye Adjei restaurant na baby why be nti yentwaso ne yekobra same ho enkomo no afi ne yekodom suko ankasa brasa me
anti
ba onwo ya me fe
onso ho fe
ba wo yire wanya ade pa o
oh yes
and na nyamesro wo mu o say so humble and you respect everybody nyame won shraw
amen
na nyame be ye o de chinse
amen
brasa me growing up no
okay
experiences been and ofemu from Ghana to Enamfosemu to Dubai hano experiences been and what fem di aboawo di amwa ni nyina ye pese one ye bo ho
okay we that's it
yeah
it was cool if we be ascending order of magnitude
okay
and a descending order
okay
measure say for be am do
okay
nam no ko hwe bi am say
okay
na me pese me no sem
that's okay kind of hofa
na me kasa and e ko break no
okay
wo mu aboa adwuma yi ene ade o mo ye pa ne ade I what direct influence in my career as a business person no fa kese pa the first person yakoso akona bo ne din no our logistics ona me ne adwuma
it's not just no do for business
yes or a big guy we influence bebre oba you ha especially omo asoy wo ne na ase ne de bebre
as a soft no yes or you too good
I say nyamedwuma no edu ba bia na we tend to be shallow minded about it also for bia the way adwuma nkan say hwe anamboa
yeah
o so for ye adwuma o asam go hu igua na ampa hu
yeah
ya anum for no mu hu ne de e bia na sebe omo ye furu ntinu osiye emo omo nye na Ghana
yeah
but we dey a father cast papa and I just a cast in business assembly any hu there he's top notch amen and we share the line of work in nyamesem one aspect I think the business aspect so he has an integrity so and you know positively there or nipa 1 or 2 be or nipa onya obofo right but we share the massive impact about the youth and me a massive you can't quantify it a massive and more are yet to come
wow
and we many success story within 6 months and I can attribute this success about 80% of this to him because say o ma come me corner sorry me ko boss enku o di hu say potential
and say me corner sorry o ti say ngosra ya adwuma ho na sofo ni nyina mu nyina so so adom
everything is on point
adom ni tumi ni ngosra kita mo no ano de
enye ya anum for de ni
bia
we nyemu de ni bia papa
oh yes
and
yeah
and hona me wo kuma methodist ni ha but I have not regretted ever coming here to join his church
sure
it's and I reshape me let me see my career my intentions and whatever I want to do in Dubai
wow
sende me toka Land Cruiser emu bi Ghana na say me to ye me de kwai all just the best people can I'm free and you free me drive you at ease the sheno before Dubai before Dubai met me too when I was growing and when I have grown okay a father, a husband, let me say a company manager, accountant, all this and see one and a family life. And to share life before Dubai, the immediate life before Dubai. Make me can say a negative and positive. When we do a beer, ye like kakra, okay, because of the influence we had, and Kofu be 90 million. Until the say, it do be beer in your foot winter. I did we men yet. It will be the Mikoye and me to me. Let me give you an example. You have found about worry for
okay.
No one will say, I say, be baby. Na sebi. What could in a
okay.
Could in a no share blessings like we know our rimu. It him chuke. Of course, men will bear witness with me. unless those who don't want to tell the truth. Adibi ho no akoye abra nyamensa wo so a oye organist, oye choir director, oye husband. Aduma yese ba wo so no. Ebeba batebeche.
Sofo, asema wo ken na chese opese wo kire me se. Uja wo yire ho no.
Me nyame yire ho. Asem na meka.
Sofo. Wo pese wo kire se. Wo free takra de ba Dubai. 6 months.
Yes.
Won fa wo yire chida.
Oh, sorry. Me rough.
Sofo tenase.
At time was it make feel much. Na ko fana na masaba.
Sofo. Look of you match atawa ko fana no asaba.
Ono twa me pa.
So for na sure say kuma so mfa obi a won fa wechi.
She can do that.
She can do. O trust no.
On yes sir.
E den na ma wo trust wo yire.
Forget about trust. On ye.
E den na ma wo hu sa wo yire entimi nya obone.
Na nia bi. Right, correct. Let me say, and if I am like this today, me know baby about 80%. Eh or no. Me to can or
About 80%.
Eh or no, me to can or
Adie beche.
Yanko ho.
Adie beche no. And I make say obeda benyane. Na all over internet or social media. Sa oyere. Ni naked abeda bonsin. And I wone be me bi akoda. Amedida baby a. Uhune sa. Ubejai oyere and I ode beche.
Okay. And when you say openi bia no would be mate. Mante. Mehu. Opehu a obehu. Opati so we den. Onye Baffour.
Sofo ade beche
na bontia
all over internet and as social media even yes on your phone.
Me fan say AI because AI is possible. AI is so powerful. Yes.
Obeko krom beba. Na obi buto yere so. Na one ne da. Ebusuan for mom fan cheme anasa wo fa no. Eno de wuntimi nka nkyere me say obefa ne say AI.
Dabi and say mehu so mehu we de mehu.
But where hu?
We mehu.
But where?
And the mehu.
But where?
Mehu.
Na wahu no. E de na arbe wo de beche no. Anase.
My new answer. E bia me de beche no. Some fan I can't say it now. Let's get to the bridge. We shall know how to cross it.
E de na ma wo sa wo yere e da so nkokra e wo ma ni nyina mu.
And na me can say my success story about from Dubai and before Dubai. 80% ono ene nkofo bi ma ebusu na ka ho de but ono ne nkofo bi ene so na won so na busu ane mia so me ne ma nketenkete bi ane so na yetimi ye
o pe so ka kire en se brasa me na se so fisa me wona wo yire bibia entimi ntiti mo ntam da
Adjei Baku se sa na ngopon aka
okay
enti yagopon ase na me di so
so try me say oba bia nso ntimi ntemte wo da
o wetin atemte me pa se mba go temte me
okay
o wande o papa o
enka me be bisa o
and the crack of wife it's see let's not
manage how
enye to say we are
life experiences
see that
yeah it's una ma manage how
me the dem grab oba me ka go oba was it if you train muka me shebi as for them grab me bogan grab me ask me to be oh send him him but enkyere say tie me nipa sometimes we live by the flesh okay me nipa but it does hard time now we know how to pray to God and how to discipline our discipline okay and you know even though it might sound weird but that's a reality I'm telling you suffer auntie
what was a CA
mini girl makamo mini girl makamo mini girl bia
what was a CA ya mame ne baba
okay
wose wa nkasa onkoa na na nijo onimu so sa wa warrior you have a beautiful family I want to me enja wo yereda ekobasa edien na obeye ma me no so se chinchina ache
eni na yede se ma mpem ka o makobo me yede send the soja for aban ebi ka na makohwe me yede let me say this and let's go
okay
enye ni esire nyina na ska akọ
okay
e kwan pinat ni nyango enipani so enso wi yene na o se ne ete eno na nkofo bi ka se yiwe yinye no I want to link it to this UAE thing okay oh so would say na me ya menya but is that possible? Is that feasible? But when to me so who say me ya say the better me obi anim say and who sika ofie but it's not about money. You don't marry because of money. It's not about money. When I was married I was a schoolboy and say be kan
worry no dey feel say.
And can.
So for one case what
But I was in school.
One case what dey feel.
Many if you are because me team as business many.
Bibie no one ma ekyere say wanyini. What dey feel say?
Many if.
What dey feel say?
Many if pa.
Worry no dey say.
I'm not in my 30s.
Worry no dey say.
Me worry in term. Na me in my 20s. Na me worry so no almost 15 years ni.
Oba penny dey say.
Oba penny what 12 years or 13.
One want them.
There be. Oh, we want them here.
Oh, want them.
Yes.
Wow, suffer. Boko de.
Boko. My family pa ma ko fa no. Oh, send a can no. Question na busa no. Enyi sika nyina na sebe ye di akiri. Sasa dia enga ntimi ntan UAE.
Okay.
So, you know, that is my lifestyle and how disciplined I am.
Enti esikafo ni bi eya wo mo ba.
Oh, yana. Bebre. Even whilst I was in Ghana, bebre yana. Sorry, muni bebi adwuma nyina.
Enti ekobasa ya na challenges na to say because sani ahon fe sani a usi address we decent no. Me ankasa me so nyina no. Na me pe memma.
Omo fe.
Memma omo ye respect ye memma omo ho fe. Omo ye gentle. Omo nkasa bebre. Access wo ho omo pe life bi ti se wo no so ho ntim pe se bi bisa say na yana experiences
the feeling of that oh that feeling is still there.
Okay.
I say let's be realistic.
Okay.
So be my vibe. Wow, he's a beer. Hey, hello handsome. Oh, of course, ultimate there.
Okay.
But when you are disciplined, you not go and follow that.
Hey, so for what then? Yes, and I be a baby. I make babies. I be able to.
That is the thing.
When you are disciplined.
When you are disciplined.
By people who are disciplined,
now,
but still.
Let me connect this to my growth life when I was a child. Okay, I want to end with that for this section. Come on, Mishano. She met this off one. Papa, now sebe. Option ba na onwe hu. But I'm going to why. Option ba na onwe hu.
Okay.
Udi mu ase no be discipline.
Wow.
It's me man, you dare not. Mini who you can daddy be botchana. Me more, but you can't misbehave.
Wow.
Okay. It's when you are disciplined from the onset, it has an influence in your decision making, your choices, how you even approach a potential. And now let me answer your question.
Okay.
Sikani be ba na o mame hypes.
It's not about sikani ba
hypes. Okay. Mame hypes are because
I say money bebre na you scan bebre na you approaching mema.
Correct. Say
me scan say me
what to him say what they make can say.
You celebrities for ma bebre ho no mo na to ID sika ko ware mema. Eh normal.
Na ya we saying anyway.
We say still e go should be come mama.
Can I say when you are disciplined,
okay,
the things you do become successful.
Okay,
finish. You are done.
Okay. Okay. Ya tell see Dubai ha no ahesh pa yi. Ya see ahesh but me season mu de me buy no. Me hu say weather na kama pa. Ya see ahesh to say ja. Ensuo nso twa etimi yiri efa nkofo dem ne ade eno so bai wa hu bi say na tie
no correct say Dubai abochi.
Okay.
Ghana say seasons me no.
Okay.
Dry season and Ghana say
okay.
General can see
right.
Yeah. Now Dubai has two major seasons, weather seasons. There was the summertime and the winter time.
Okay.
Now we are in the winter, right?
Winter.
What's much as you environment here? Yeah, one thing.
I see nyina me so pa.
So to there in Dubai say we are there and you bopa just like other countries. Okay. Bopa. Say we do winter so I want back. We say about it's here 7:15.
Okay.
But who say awum since morning awum. It's true.
And ye bia na wum gin unsusu se ne a awia no ano odin too much na enti na bia nkofo hu ne say I say nka hu et South Africa ho na.
Womu a wabochi no catch US no catch say ewia no bopa you can't even go out in the same vine when summer winter comes you can't even walk on streets. It is the same thing.
Okay. Wow. Yeah. Yes do na wo masetenam enye e wa ha eso ko ebitimi gidan no baako na enipa be 20-30 na omugum eno so by experiences when you do bisa
perception na enkofo painty.
Oh, okay.
Say if you do the right thing, you'll be happy here.
Okay.
And just said Diane a single enkofo 30 no, it's not like that.
Okay.
Even though you dying someday and I was saying it everywhere in the world, maybe a dime wedding.
Okay.
And the first will be share dying and say that is how it is.
Okay.
Of course, I'm living alone.
Okay.
I don't live with somebody.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, HIV. Yare born no. Just say at Adjei Dubai crew no aboso eno so
Takwa de kwebi wo.
Takwa de crew.
Na say kumasi kwebi wo.
Na say baby ya.
Be kwa kwebi wo. Everywhere.
I said Dubai assem dey ka one person so obeka bibi boni bi afa.
Say me Arab, I'm a Ghanaian.
Oh, okay.
Ghana was making it. Enya bad. I cannot sit here and praise Dubai over my economy. No.
Okay.
But that's the reality.
Okay.
Maybe is what.
It's not just a washa economy no. Ghana the any Dubai difference be
vast difference. Oh, we have been doing and say vast difference.
I say has it any better than.
Oh, obviously.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Of course, sir, what the 1 gram coffee enya 1 cedi.
Because Momo can 1 drama, 1 dram was a one. People say 1 CD. Because in Germany, we can 1 era, 1 CD. Say I don't know.
It's not true.
And I mean, I'm a refi. Oh, okay.
Dubai currency is bigger than Ghana cedis.
Oh, okay.
We are hoping to be but is it logic?
Okay. Anyway, so for Nyango Poncha. Amen. So a D bishop no. Oh yeah, then I will wrap it up.
Yes, Papa is so method is so
okay.
And you want Nyamisum media there. I thought that you both say Nkoka say once you are playing, you are also teaching, you are preaching, and then you hear what of best of you. But me say me business person.
We a business.
Say nyame friend there implement na akodi so.
Akodi ba so die fatal pa.
Nka me rough.
Na e wo mu pa.
Me pa.
Ompe bone. Nyame nsan sama ya ka nyina no. Bone nyina hwa wo camera nim. Na bone nyina tofa. Life in experiences Ghana and Dubai. The other catcher will numb for to say.
Oh, very good. I have wide group of friends. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Now what now for them is what bahano or no in term to say.
Oh, and not great. I could do for a care restaurant.
That's a tight.
Fantini.
Wow.
Yeah. We are more than brothers. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
But we started business, no. Asa jealousy kakra
dabi he even showed me how to do the calculations.
Really?
Yes. And the kasa, yeah. Let me speak to my audience.
Okay, nyaminsha until somebody can na bonneto fine show camera.
Okay, for I phone adofo nyina we dey a big shout out to all my friends in Ghana. And those who are anyway, especially Mr. Bismarck, my personal person, Mr. Boot and Mr. Danny Munina, Lavemont, Obia, Meche Obia, Mebusha Funina, and Papa Dano. Okay. And we descended. Namachia, my wife and member from Poma, Benedict Obia, Meche Obia, Namachia, Master Funina, Takwa the Methodist. Okay. Funina, Meche Obia, Mechia Mama, Apostle, Mrs. Eric Aqua, and so Mechiano, Mechia Obia, Onimibia. In fact, Enche, Elbefi, that's why we're in fact, the perception out there about Dubai is not the way I see it. Okay, people might have their perception about Dubai, but me being a business person and the fact that people know me a lot and the fact that I have been able to also listen to advice, the underlying word is listen to advice and directions. Here am I today. And so, minimum say once we be person of Ghana about Dubai and you're bad. Just that it's all for the right channel. No, the behind the business here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it.
Apostle na one share was sorry. I saw for one kid one Brad Dan money. Oh,
Bishop Danny, Elder Danny, in fact, UAE or Achman. Okay, Mr. Bismarck Sakwa. Me Odifo boat. Mechia Obibia Selina. In fact, should go for a menu that Mechia Obia. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, brother me. Sami too ga.
Hey, me Nayas.
What is? Yeah, to answer for a while. But go for the runners I will send us to Poku. Brakwesi baby I will be Oda Bena Yesu Oda. Elma Bray. Yeah, Papa Nayas boni o. Woni ene steady ni e. Yarazi. Abre agasi now to say we have a call. Shall I miss you so much? I will say Hannah Brand over Macquani. Did you mean dear no? Yeah, dear see and Nasia Casiepa and confirm Abuafwa. One of summer say this special crew wait dear Minna me who be bida. Apostle Eric Akwa me executive producer Dubai ha me buy there. Papa na fa me ho ka bibia daddy baby a obi anyankopon won hira what won ye okese pa won Danny B. Hey, Danny B bakope Apostle ne baba bakope and na Bismarck hey Bismarck dem pacho hey Bismarck me see baby ameko bia no aje me bag no waso wa wunim na Dubai ha betia me na so de waso ebe ye shepa ye sanso and na sofu boat na yakwa asori nche say the suit ni de in fact na ni preaching de hey me see na me rahuhumu minyaya na nke stopoku so tonyom wode mafa worship mu aba ye na brasa me ni suit we de awrade nya just say Jof Eric am say ya o kra suit ni nyina from China na ade bro ya kra bi bra me say na e be ya me bana me ba so ye nyina be ya be jiji suit na e amanyesa hey CB the best and then best DOP ever the whole world the whole Dubai the whole world hey me say open DOP papa dia any best director ever hey bartender no me say striker hey Jesus bartender what your guy nani ate what your brantie utimi say just a guy mine no e wom so ho asantofo na nkasa no nani ate ankasa Adjei Fati restaurant is so what Dubai heya me pacho contact him na aduane bia opebia no yemfa emausanso and na Isaac minua bema Isaac elom aba actress ne bra papa bi Isaac and right fato koye mi show and Isaac de me call shopping say ahopeprenti me ba me niema mabobo no mi jani nyina ho na afa mi nya mpabo anhye me so mani awu say me call catch apostle na busuafo na kina nkoma bebo mi deliverance ehwa na Isaac ede me fa shopping koye shopping mami I maybe I will be I love you so much okay ebusua aha na ebre no obema kwan na ye di dwumadie ni nyina ye di asie enasie bi enko enfama aboafo na danida won esomase na kai se edu kwase ade bia Angel TV ABN kwase ade anwumre die me se wontimi nja me ho Nayas original international ho enkonko he bia Angel TV pe enedu kwase ada 7 to 8 obehwe nyakopon won share your social media handles ni nyina so follow you. I love you so much that Sunday your best sign so Asia Dubai I love you.